One of my favorite recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook is with roasted vegetables. And in this case, I'm going to be making roasted vegetables for pasta. Roasted vegetables for pasta. No, don't go out and heat up the grill. Just put your toaster oven on broil. I have a half an onion, a couple mushrooms, a half of orange bell pepper, a zucchini, and yellow squash. This is beautiful. It's like a painting. I've lightly oiled my baking pan with olive oil. And I'm going to lay out all of these beautiful, beautiful vegetables. Sprinkling with a little salt. Brushing with a little olive oil. Popping the broiling pan with the veggies into the toaster oven. And the toaster oven is set on broil. That was about 35 minutes under the broiler, and this is the way I like my vegetables roasted. Just a little bit of charring, and they're going to be beautiful with the spaghetti that I have. I'm adding a couple tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. A couple tablespoons of chopped almonds, and in this case they're the smokehouse almonds. A couple tablespoons of browned butter. About a half a cup of chopped baby kale. I'm also going to add a little more salt. And a couple pinches of dried oregano. I'm adding spaghetti, which I've cooked, salted lightly, and blended with a little olive oil. I'm tossing gently, using just 2 forks. Tasting to adjust the flavors. I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Just a little more salt. Another tablespoon or 2 of Parmesan cheese. tossing again. I want to make sure everything is blended really well. Beautiful roasted flavor. This is absolutely... There are over 250 wonderful recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven Cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. If you have a toaster oven, you don't need a grill for this. Roast vegetables under the broiler and serve them with pasta. Delicious.